ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am Raghavendra from Bangalore. Today I am reading the story of ಶಬರಿ. ತನ್ನ ರುಚಿ ರಾಮ ರುಚಿ, ತನ್ನ ಸಂತುಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಒಪ್ಪುದು ರಾಮ ಸಂತುಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಎನ್ನುವ ಸಹಜಾದ ದೈವಾತ್ಮ ಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಧನ್ಯಳಾದಳು ಶಬರಿ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. The taste of hers is that of Lord Rama's. Her satisfaction entirely depends on the satisfaction of Lord Rama. These were the beliefs with which Shabari was able to lead a divine life in this world naturally and did attain the state of elevation. Mankutimma. Shabari is one of the biggest devotees of Lord Rama and is very well known for the patience with which she wanted to meet Lord Rama in the epic Ramayana. Shabari was a tribal woman born to a hunter in the forests of India. Her family was all set to perform animal sacrifice during her wedding, which she opposed and ran away deep into the forest. She went into different sage ashramas and requested them to teach her about God and Dharma. As she was from tribal class, no one was ready to accept her as their student. Later, she met Matanga, who accepted her as student, from whom she served with devotion. Sage Matanga, during his old days, called up Shabari and said that he is about to die and can fulfill any of her wishes. Shabari was very sad and said, "Can she be taken along with him?" For which Matanga blessed her and told she has to wait till she sees Lord Rama to attain salvation. From then Shabari started to wait for Lord Rama every day and used to pick up best of fruits from the forest. She used to taste it in prayer to make sure they are of good quality so that she can serve Lord Rama. This was continued for years. Rama during his exile did come near the ashram in which Shabari used to live. Knowing this, Shabari came running towards Lord Rama and offered the fruits she had collected for that day and offered to Lord Rama. Lakshmana was shocked to see the tasted fruits being offered, but Rama without hesitation accepted the fruits and did eat them and said those were the sweetest fruits he had ever had. Rama, pleased with her devotion, fulfilled her wish of salvation. Even today, people use the phrase Shabari Bhakti to indicate the undying devotion one has towards God. The moral of the story is, if you want to attain something great, you need patience, belief to wait for it indefinitely and work towards it every day. DVG illustrates the devotion of Shabari towards Lord Rama, which signifies the importance of belief and perseverance with which we all need to stick to in order to fulfill our dreams. Thank you.